Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the first keynote of day two. I hope you had a great session. I know listening to the upskilling session from Kabri, um, and looking forward to this. So my guest today needs no introduction. He is a national award-winning actor who has acted in more than 200 movies across 11 different languages. In the recent 5-6 years, he has reinvented himself in a new avatar as a prolific speaker and a motivational interventionist. With his igniting talks and bespoke motivational workshops, he has impacted the lives of many working professionals across 200 organizations around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Ashish Vidyarthi. Ashish?
Namaskar.
Hi Ashish, good to have you.
Good to be here, dear friend.
Yeah. So, audience, today's session, Creators of Colorful Shadows Minded, is going to be a fun-filled one, yet it'll leave you all with some deep and insightful thoughts. So this will be a session where Ashiji will spend 30-45 minutes discussing about this topic, and then after that, we'll take questions. On your right side, you will see the discuss option, where you can ask the questions, and at the end of it, I'll take all the questions and ask Ashishji about it. So I don't want to come in the way of you and Ashishji anymore. Over to you, Ashish.
Welcome, everybody. I'm excited to be here with you. And this is a conversation which I've curated specially for you, and it's called Creators of Colorful Shadows Minded. So this is going to be a conversation, all right? It's a conversation between creators. You and I are creators. So this is not an intellectual speech. It is a conversation between two creators. The two creators are me here and you there. So it is not I versus we. It is I to this you, that one single person. So what we are going to do today is to engage in a conversation that you and I as creators want to engage in. All right. So first of all, the first question I begin this with, do you like provocative questions? Do you like to deal with things which are provocative, or do you like to do things which are dull and boring? Thank you. Fan from Telugu audience, sir. Got it. Sai Sukit. I want an answer to this. Do you like a provocative conversation, or do you like dull and boring conversations? Provocative, said Jyotsna. I got it. Who else? I want to hear. Okay, fantastic. Koyal, Runal. Got it. Rutvi. All right, got it. Sudipta, Surinda, Pratyasha, Nidhi. Fantastic. Superb. I got that. Fantastic. So we are setting the ball rolling. Sindhura, Lipi. Okay, Rushabh. Fantastic. I hear you, Sai. Sai, I hear you. Manish, I hear you. Fantastic. So let us be clear that we are going to engage in a conversation.
Oops. Looks like we lost him. Hold on, guys. We are checking. I think in COVID times, we are all used to this. Unexpected always happens with us. My kid runs into my meetings all the time. Internet goes away. And I think so that's the way of life.
This is happening.
There you go. All right.
I'm back. I'm back. Listen, guys. Well,
Let me quickly check this.
all right, guys. I'm sure I'm live. Okay, there are some technical glitches happen, but we won't stop. All right, don't worry, we won't stop. Welcome to real life. In real life, you need to deal with real issues. We are dealing with new kinds of technology, new ways of doing it. It may drop off. Somebody was joining in from my account. It was signing me off. If somebody does join, I will again come back. Don't worry about it. All right. This is the name of the game. The name of the game is that we won't stop. So are we clear that the name of the game is we won't stop? So if the name of the game for you too is we won't stop, I just want, yes, we won't. Got it. Fantastic. Yes, Subha. Yes, Sai. Fantastic. So we are diving straight into this conversation, and this conversation is very clearly you and I are creators, dear friend. You and I are creators. And it requires a sense of passion to create. Yes or yes? Do you need passion to create? Yes or yes? Fantastic. Yes, Loveen. Yes, Sudipta. Yes, Sai. It's very clear. This game is of passion. All right. Without passion, you will not be able to manage anything in life. Okay. Now a quick one. Okay. I'm getting that. Now a quick one. How many of you like to be judged? Quickly tell me. How many of you like to be judged? No, 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 no. Got it, got it, got it. Ruthvi, nobody. We don't want to be judged. We hate to be judged. Got it. Congratulations. Got it, Vicky. Got it. Got it, Prachi. Got it. Everybody got it. You don't like to be judged. Fantastic. Congratulations. Now, the next one. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Tell me, how many of you right now are judging me? Quickly, 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 quick. Hey, come on. No lies. No lies. Yes. You are judging me, my friends. You are judging me. You definitely are judging me. That's why you are there. Listen, welcome to life. Stop lying. If you stand up to be counted, you will be judged by others. Please get it. You and I hate to be judged, but we judge others. Dear creators, rule number one for you to get is you and I will be stand up to be counted. Remember, you and I will be judged. Yes, not so much of a haha. So that seriously, being judged is not a very pleasant thought, isn't it? It isn't a pleasant thought. Well, if you are standing up, people will judge you. Rule number one, rule number 88, as I call it, is you will be judged. Better get okay with it. Better get okay with it. All right? And now we are coming to a very interesting part of this conversation. You and I know that if you are a creator, then you better create something which is very close to you. And you will get tenets of that through this interesting convention that you are here for. So you will get. But I will drop a few things here for you. Consider for a moment that as you and I create, when we create something closest to us, that is what holds that unique power of communication to the world. Yes or yes? Yes or yes? So if you're closer to you, that's what makes it unique. All right? Got it, got it. Now comes the interesting part. All right? So when you are sharing something which is very, very close to you, that means you are deeply connected to it. All right? Now, it can be food, it can be travel, it can be thoughts, it could be engineering, it could be anything, things that don't even come to my mind. something which is very, very dear and close to you. And when you and I bring our take on something which is very close to us, that is when we bring a unique texture to that communication. Okay? Yes, man jeete jag jeet. Exactly. Pehle khud ke man ko jeet, mere dost. Sabse pehle khud ke man ko jeet. Now comes a very interesting part of it. As you are stepping out, as you, the creator, is stepping out and creating something so that you can be an influencer. Guess what is required from you? Who will share with me? What is one thing which is, thank you, Angela. What is one thing which is deeply required from you so that you can be from a creator to an influencer? What is required? Who will say the word? Passion, got it. Relatability, unique content, loving what we do, find a great energy, connect. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, consistency, dedication, got it. A mix of fantastic words. Now, please get this. A very, 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 very important part of this is that word is coming again and again is connect. Is connect. It's my ability to connect with you, which is going to help me influence your thinking. Otherwise, you will not be influenced by me. It's my ability to continuously create an engagement of connection. Now, here are two independent things. One is I want to tell a story which is very dear to me. Okay? You, the creator, you are telling a story which is very dear to you. It's your personal thing. It's something amazing that you want to create, okay? And if you want to tell that story, which is my story, to you, I will need to find a connect between me and you. It's what I call the Velcro effect. What did I say? What did I say? What is the word that I just used? What effect did I say? Who was hearing me carefully? Who was hearing? Velcros! Who got it right? Okay, who got it right? Oh, Vicky. Well, quite a few people got it right. Velcro effect. That's right. That's right, my dear friend. Now, I'm sharing some interesting things from me as an actor. You know, as an actor, actors perform, and we use something from deep within us when we are performing. We are creating a completely, we're trying to create a real character. Okay? We are trying to create a belief in that character when it gets created. But at the same time, it cannot be a believable, boring character. No, it can't be a believable, boring character. It better be a believable character which people love. Therefore, the Velcro. So Velcro, I'll tell you how it is. It's a bit like this. The actor creates hooks. We create hooks. That's how the Velcro works. So Velcro, on one side, there are hundreds and thousands of hooks. On the other side, hundreds and thousands of loops. Okay? So consider you, the audience, you are loops. And I, the creator, if you are the creator, you, the creator, you have got hooks, hundreds and thousands of hooks. Except the hooks are not static. These hooks can move. So when we meet some hooks, we adjust and we make sure that we are caught. Any idea what I'm talking about? I got it. You won't forget me. Thank you. You know, any idea what is it that I'm talking? Your ability to move to hook. Yes, connect. That's it. Absolutely. So it's my responsibility as a creator to move my hooks in any which way to connect. Now here comes the interesting part. What I am communicating is something very dear to me. Something very personal. Okay, you're talking food, you're talking personal. You're talking journeys, that's very personal. You're talking some gadgets, that's personal. You know, somebody like me talks life, that's really personal. Now, the ability of the creator to create hooks in that which is personal, so that people at large say, you know what? That person is saying something to me. That person is speaking to me. That is the word relatable. Mold in. Yes, Rima. Yes, Rima. Have the ability to move. Have the ability to be listening to. If you notice that even though we are right now disconnected, we are not face to face, aren't you experiencing that I'm looking straight at you. I'm looking straight at you. And I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your response. I'm very sure that what I am speaking makes sense to you. It's critical that the penny that I'm throwing, the penny should drop where you are. That's the ability of the communicator to powerfully share that which is unique to him, to her. You getting a sense of it? All right. Just to let you know, you should visit our website. It's called avidminer.com, avidminer.com, and there is a special thing we have set up for people like you. It's called the Crank Up. It's crank up your ability to deliver. So we are creating an entire thing for content creators. You can come and curate your content. You can come and make sure that your content is available to others. Others' content is available to you. So we are creating a community of content creators. In fact, for me, I am creating a community of communicators, because that's what you and I are. Consider for a moment, you and I are communicating what we are passionate about to others, to the world. All right. So at avidminer.com, avidminer, avidminer.com, we are creating something. Now, coming back to this entire episode, a key part of communicating is me being a listening communicator. Me being what? What did I say? Me being a listening communicator. Me having the ability to listen to what is it that you want. All right. So for a creator who has to create something so amazing, so stunning that people start following and say that, wow, I want that content for me. That content should speak to me. What did I say? Quickly tell me, what did I say? That content should? Yes, speak to me, Rima. Yes, speak to me. That's right. That Amit Nayak, absolutely. That content should speak to me. And therefore, the responsibility that people experience that the content is reaching them is on the communicator. So there is a lot of interesting responsibility on the communicator to first start communicating something which is dear and personal to me. At the same time, be responsible that communication lands on that person. All right. Now, this is the basis, and I can go on a lot more on this topic, and that is something which you can follow us on our website, and I'll tell you in detail. But today, I'm going to talk to you about something which is going to be very valuable to you, because at one end is the communicator creating content. You and I. We are creating content. And what kind of content? Okay, that's a different thing, and we will talk about that sometime later. But today I want to speak to you about how you and I mind ourselves. Any idea what I'm talking about? Any idea? I am speaking to you, Rishika Jain. Any idea what I mean by how we, the creators, have to mind ourselves? Any idea what I'm talking about? Groom ourselves. Okay, fantastic, Sambhavi. What else? How we think of ourselves. Very good, Surya Lakshmi. Very good. How we observe, how content quality. All right, keep updating yourselves. Make sure what we speak. All right, got it, Divya. What else? Being responsible. Okay, self-obsessed. Okay, mirror. Okay, Vicky, interesting. Shomalia. Okay, you said being articulate, be true to yourself, understand difference. Beautiful. Okay, Pratyusha Roy, understand the difference between constructive criticism and hate. Interesting. I want us all to be around this place. All right. Now listen and very, very careful to what's going to happen next. Please understand that. Do you know that at this point, nobody other than the people in your life know you? You know that? Nobody except that uncle, that auntie, that mummy, that papa, the brother, the friends. Other than that, nobody knows you. Yes, you know that. Thank you, Bijan. Thank you. Now listen, my friends. That's where all journeys of all creators begin. Okay? All of us have our beginnings in anonymity, when nobody knows you. Nobody knows you, and the only thing that connects you to the world is your passion. All right? But today's conversation that I'm going to have with you, and that's why I'm setting this up, is that today's conversation is about you realizing that in this world, you will need to take care of yourself. Because right after you lose your anonymity, you will become famous. You will have people liking you. You will have people following you. That is when something interesting is going to happen to you. I really want you to take care of yourself. Really, really, really get. So here are 3 things which are critical in this journey of yours. Okay? Never ever forget how much you love yourself. Never ever forget how much you love yourself. Do you know that you love yourself? Yes. Yes, Divya. Self-love is not selfish. Do you know that you love yourself? Yeah. Just write, I love me. Have the guts to write, I love me. I love me. Got it. Yes, Anjita. Yes, Anjita. Yes, Rishika. I love me. Got it. I love me. Okay. Hold it. Yes, I got it. Shweta, I love me. Sai, I love me. Fantastic. Remember, at the core of life is you. Whatever that you create in life, whatever you wish to create, at the core of that is you. It is because of you, you are even embarking on this journey. Point number 1, never, ever forget that this all you're creating is for you. I love me. I love me. Now, as you love me, I love me, I want to go out and share something interesting about me. And I would love it if more people start believing in me. Yes or yes? Is that your game? Isn't that your game? Yes, got it. That I love me. And as I step out into the world, I want more and more people to believe in this guy, that lady. Yes. Yes or yes? Got it. Fantastic. Now, yes, accepting all of my self-flaws. Yes, Rishika Jain. Okay. Accepting, loving, understanding me, and then going out and creating something so that people also start following something about you, something unique about you, they start following. Now, here comes the interesting part. At some point, and this I'm talking to you through a real thing, as an actor also, this is something much before social media came in. We as film actors always used to handle that. I will share a personal tale. So, when you're anonymous, nobody knows you. So I used to remember from Andheri West to Andheri East, there used to be a flyover. So I used to be on my Hero Honda 100cc, all right? And a friend would probably be sitting behind me and I would, start waving on top of the highway, on top of the flyover. My friend would say, what are you waving to here? I said, to someone here. They don't know me right now, but one day they will know me. And then they will wonder who that dark guy who was waving from a red mobile, that was Ashish Vidyarthi. Now, I really want you to get that it begins with madness. You and I begin our journey with madness. We are mad, therefore we want to create something extraordinarily different. Accept it. Now remember, if madness takes over your life, you had it. I'm telling you something straight. Please understand, this human brain of ours, it plays games with us. So even as you set off on this journey of discovery, this journey of finding out what else is possible for you in this exciting world, as you are creating a new identity, you are getting a set of followers and subscribers who otherwise don't even know you. Remember, they cannot determine you. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Who heard me? Who said they cannot determine me? They cannot determine me. They cannot determine me. They cannot determine me. I am an expression of me. They cannot determine me. You have to get this absolutely straight, my friend. Yes. Others, they cannot determine me. So what happens is, listen carefully. There's a difference with who I am There's a difference between who I am and what they say about me. They're two entirely different things. You as creators, remember you are casting a huge shadow on the world. That's what you and I intend to do. A quick question. Did any one of you think, can somebody just write down what is the title of this conversation? Read it again and tell me just write down what is the title of this conversation. Anyone seen creators of colorful shadows? Yeah, got it. Wonderful. Any one of you ever seen a colorful shadow? You haven't seen a colorful shadow. Like, what color is a shadow? Yeah. Somebody just realized, how can that be a colorful shadow? And I'm talking of a colorful shadow. Yes. The shadow is umbra penumbra. It's black. It's jet black. It's where the light doesn't fall. And guess what I've written? I'm saying creators of colorful shadows. And this is where this conversation becomes deep. Listen very, very carefully, dear friends. Have you ever heard of the term larger than life? Have you heard the term? Yes. Consider for a moment, dear friends. I, as an actor, when I enact a role, when I create something, a persona is created which is larger than life. That people say, watch like this on the screen. Say, wow. Wow. Something big happens. Something really big happens. You know, what happens on the large screen. People think that what happens on mobile phones, what happens on laptops is not larger than life. I want you to break that myth for yourself once and for all. If you're not larger than life, people are not going to follow you. In fact, if people do follow you, or if you follow people, it is because they are larger than your life. Be careful as you live life king size. Okay, I'll talk about that, Reena. So first of all, you will very soon realize that I have to actually heighten my reality so that I can grab the attention of people. You getting a sense? Look, I'm speaking very straight conversation, if you notice. I'm not speaking a very goody-goody conversation. Do you notice that? It's a straight conversation. You realize that, right? You have to heighten things. You have to heighten things for people to get attracted. You know that, right? Got it. Now listen to this very, very carefully. Remember, that's a shadow, a colorful shadow you are creating. That's not you. As an actor, I do roles. I've done 200 plus films across 11 languages. Then I speak to organizations, I speak to groups of people. On avidminer.com, we reach out to people at large. People engage with us. We create programs for them. People know me in a particular way. Inside me, I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a son, I'm a brother, I'm a friend, I'm a traveler, I'm a photographer, I'm a writer, I'm a communicator. Two very different people. I can never ever forget that I am not that persona that is created by films. As long as I can differentiate between them, till then I'm okay. But the moment I start believing in that persona, then every Friday I will have mood swings. Earlier there used to be Friday releases, right? Never ever forget, my friend, life is not, you cannot make your life be a sensex. अभी सब्सक्राइबर बहुत बड़ा, अभी गिरा, अभी बढ़ गया, अभी गिर गया. Whatever you are, even if you're a lifestyle content creator, Pratyusha Roy, remember, At some point, you'll have to catch yourself as you really play for having more subscribers, which you should. To have more people listening to you, reading to you, you must. But always know the difference between your job and yourself. You cannot allow the number of subscribers or the number of likes or the people who are following you to ever determine how phenomenal you are. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. I've been in this profession for quite a few years. I came into this profession in 1992. How many years? 1992 to today. Kitna saal? Who's good in mathematics? 28. Who's this bright person? Fatsis Surendri Singh or whatever. 28. You're so good in mathematics. I didn't even get so many marks out of 100 in 12th year. So in 28 years, something which I've realized is that if you are in a game, especially a game like this, you see, much before social media, films was a game like this, where you actually play a big game, where suddenly from anonymous, somebody like who Ashish, you become Ashish Ji, Ashish Sir. It's like a state change. Kaun hai wo? Who's that guy? Too. Sir, how are you, sir? Big fan. Now, please remember, it's the same guy, same brain. Suddenly nobody knows. Suddenly everybody knows. It does all sorts of things to the brain. I'm really opening up to you. I really want you to know. Dimag kharab ho jata hai bhai sahab. It's a mind-numbing thing. It's been 28 years, as somebody said. Yes, Rajuta, you were born in 92. I was born as an actor, professional actor in 92. Same difference. Please get this. A critical part of you surviving this is you able to differentiate between your fame and the amazing you. Are you getting a sense of it? What am I talking about? Yes. Enlightening, somebody says. All right. What sense are you making of this, Ruchel? What sense are you making? I want to ask you people. What are you making a sense of? What is the sense that you're getting? Humble yourself. Okay, say Varshika. Okay, even when you're in the sky, be yourself. All right. Okay, love yourself more. Fantastic. Yes. No, it can. It will go to your head. I promise you it will go to your head. It will go to your head. So I'll be sharing a few things which are going to be very, very creative. Therefore, I'm saying creators of Colorful Shadows, mind it. Because if you don't mind it, then you will not be well enough to enjoy the things that you're striving for. Just want to ask you, do you want to enjoy the future that you wish to create for yourself? Do you wish to enjoy it? Yes. Okay. Got it. Fantastic. Now listen. Who do you want to enjoy it with? Tell me. Who do you want to enjoy it with? Quickly tell me. Who do you want to enjoy that future with? Myself, my family. Okay. My family. Got it. Me. Got it. Who else? Family. Friends. People in your life. Yeah. Close ones. Got it. Fantastic. All right. Fantastic. For family and friends. Now listen very, very carefully. A very important part of this journey is to stay invested with your roots. So there are two Ashishes, okay? So even today, in a few hours from now, a set of friends will come over. We'll spend some time together. That's me. That's connected to my friends, my roots, okay? My family, my roots. And the other one is this guy, and the guy who day after will be shooting for a project, okay? That's the other one. That's the professional. Okay, that's the professional where the world is deciding, okay, which roles am I getting? What kind of following am I getting? Okay, what's happening, sir? Sir, what next? Okay, what are the next? That's a different world. Now, at all points, dear friend, I want you to stay invested in your real life. Wear two hats very, very clearly. Culture, roots, morals, personal set standards. Yes, Vanshika. To put it very, very simply, stay rooted to what started you off on this journey. I will wish you lots more money in a bit. I wish you will earn a lot more money, a lot more following in a little bit of time. But I also wish you that you never change. Because when you change, have you heard this term called kaua chala hans ki chaal apni chaal bhi bhul gaya? Yeah. It's when you start walking a different beat just because the situation has changed. I want to promise you, my friends, when success will hit you, you will not even realize it. So it's a great thing that, today when they invited me for this conversation, and when we said that we will engage in a conversation which really is meaningful for you. Not many people allow people to engage, in such conversations. So I'm very, very happy, that, people here at influencer.com have, they're engaging in such conversations with you, which can make a difference to your life. Please get it, my friends. Your life is much more important to your career. Your career will have many, many changes. Your life is one. So be mindful as a creator. Always. Have that ability to relate to yourself as somebody who's doing a job. That's how I relate to myself. My job, I'm an actor. Each day when I go and shoot, I'm an actor. Each day when I communicate, I'm a communicator. That's my job. The stuff that they like, and then they give me more money, and then there are more likes and more subscribers, it gives me great happiness. But it's a byproduct of me, the professional actor. Me, the professional communicator. When I can differentiate between me, the person, who will come and, go home and, with my wife and my friends, I'm like, let's do something interesting, yaar. Kuch interesting karte na aaj. Kya karta hai? Ashish kya kar raha hai yaar? Nahi yaar, kuch karte hain. That guy has to be alive. Because if that guy is worried, yaar, चल नहीं रहा यार, थोड़ा सा पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है यार, एक दिन और पोस्ट करना है, थक जाओगे भाई. You will lose a game that you wish to play. We know what I'm doing? I'm putting a finger into your eye. I'm telling you, get it. But be careful what cost you're ready to pay for it. What did I say? What did I say? Who's listening carefully to me? Be ready to pay the price. Okay, did I say that? Did I say be ready to pay the price? What did I say? I'll repeat it. Yes, be careful of the cost. If that cost doesn't work for you, don't go for it. Please get it. Remember, you're playing this game for yourself, for the person you love, which is you, your family, your friends, whatever is your interest. Don't lose that in the quest of this. Then you may have lots of money, lots of people who know you, but you can't celebrate it because you're unhappy. Get it, but be careful of the costs of Shikha Jain. Mental well-being is a very key part of this game. You need to consciously take care of your health. Take care of yourself. One of the ways that I use is, as I said, number one, invest in friendships, invest in relationships, invest in people who allow you to stay rooted. The second part is learn to have a laugh at yourself. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Rishika. Have a laugh at yourself. Have the ability to have a laugh at yourself. This person who's sitting right in front of you, seen spectacular failures, my friend. Seen spectacular failures, died so many times in my life. So many villain roles I have done. So many times I have died. तो कोई मुझे पूछता कैसे हो, मैं कहता हूँ मर के जी रहा हूँ यार, मर के जी रहा हूँ. And I'm not complaining. The fact is, each time I die, I get paid for it. Seriously. So everything that I've got, the things that you see behind me, is because I died. It has also allowed me to understand that all these things are passing. These things are not permanent. There's a particular way that you relate to permanence. There's a particular way that you deal with things which are in passing. Now comes the interesting point. It's a line which I love and I want to share that with you. It's a line from Caligula. It says, have a method to your madness. As I said, you and I are mad. That's why we are here. We're crazy. Some of us are crazier than others. 55-year-old crazy guy. Want to create something afresh. Created some stuff as an actor 6 years back. Started making a difference. Having conversations with organizations, groups of people. That's how Avid Miner got formed, avidminer.com. I'm a creator. I love to create. I love to move. I'm mad. But only madness won't help. There should be a method to your madness. See, this person is not a learned person. It's a learning person. This person is somebody who's walking this path along with you. What I'm sharing with you are things that I am learning on the way, en route. I want you to have your eyes open. And I want you to have a glint in your eye. Be excited. Don't ever let your work become, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं यार. Have to work very hard. बड़ा boring हो जाएगा जिंदगी. Have the ability to have a glint in your eye. Have a smile on your lip. And have a skip in your walk. Very important. Change your rhythm during this work. Because remember, as you're creating amazing things, allow that to even touch you. Allow yourself to be impacted. You need to grow each day. That's what I tell myself. I love to sparkle. Because when I sparkle, I'm creating an extraordinary version of me each day. I'm not sitting on my past, creations. I've done this, I've done that. Remember, that personal growth, that is yours. That personal growth is mine. So even as I embark on this journey of being a creator, as I'm creating interesting content which makes a difference to the lives of people, I'm not just spending myself, I'm also growing. So from the time that I started my journey to now, I have a lot more people viewing my content, meeting me, engaging with me on YouTube. On YouTube, you are Ashish Vidyarthi Official. And I wonder if somebody can just write, yes, Ashish Vidyarthi Official on YouTube. You can come and subscribe and follow our content. Our content is very simple. It just makes life simple. It allows you to see that life isn't complicated. And when I started this journey, I actually used to think that life is complicated till I started simplifying it for myself and started sharing. And as I started sharing parts of me, I started illuminating parts of me and I started growing. So during this journey of sharing, I'm not just spending what's mine, I'm also growing in this journey. That's my invite to you, dear creator. Don't just say that, अरे यार मैं और कितना बताऊंगा, I'm a lifestyle. या अगर आप lifestyle करना चाहते हैं, आप खाना बनाना चाहते हैं, you want to talk about technology, I don't know what you want to talk about, but each day you got to grow. And I will now give you a very, very interesting formula which I use. All right, you can try this on. It's a principle called 10-30-30-30. Okay, and you can play it around, but listen to this carefully. 10% of my day, 10-30-30-30. Okay, so 10% of my day I dream. Yes, 10-30-30-30. Fantastic, Sai. So 10% of the day I dream. I dream. And dream is not planning. It's not creating something like it's a plan. No, it's not a plan. Dream is dream. You're dreaming wild. You're dreaming of things that you've never thought before. Wow. And dreams should ideally look very far from where you are. Okay. I'm just sharing a part of my workshop that we do, but I'm just sharing a part with you. So 10% time dream, create some amazing things. After that, 30% of your time, work hard. Work really hard. You got to pay your bills, remember? So work hard, pay your bills. 30% of the time, Grow yourself. Really grow yourself. Grow yourself so that you're learning, you're kind of gathering more things, you're listening to more people, you're developing yourself. So 30% of the time you are growing yourself. So 10% you're dreaming, 30% of the time you're working hard, 30% of the time you're growing yourself, and the last 30%, make sure that you spend time so that other people are aware of your work. You make more friends of your work so that your next series of works are created. So it's a way of continually growing yourself, continuously working hard, continuously dreaming big, and continuously making sure that your work reaches more people. That's who you are, dear creator. A creator is not just somebody who influences. An influencer is someone who actually grows each day, and that is what inspires people. I want you to really get, people get it if you're feigning it. So don't feign it. Secondly, don't get caught up by, wow, sir, तुसी कमाल हो, sir, what subscriber, sir, क्या बढ़िया सब आता जाता रहता है भाई. कभी आएगा, कभी जाएगा. Remember, your life is longer than the life of your channel. That is when you can create a distance between you and your work. You getting a sense of what I'm saying? Who's getting a sense of what I'm saying? Yes, got it. Sarthi, yes, me, got it. Yes, Ritika, yes, Shweta, yes, girl, yes, Vicky, got it. Fantastic. Please get this. This is something you and I have taken on. You and I have taken on. We are creating something out of nothing. Out of nothing, we are creating. So, point number one, love myself. I love myself, and now I will generate such extraordinary value for them that they say, wow. That's the name of the game. You, the creators of Colorful Shadows, you and I, we add value to people who come and visit us. I'm committed to that even in this conversation with you. Just checking with you. Am I making any addition to your life at this very moment? Got it. Yes, Bhavna, Bona, Ritika, Moody, Vicky, got it, Dr. Shikha. That's Suresh, got it. Divya, got it, Vinay, got it, Shweta. Please get it. That's the name of the game. The name of the game is, can I add value? So here, remember, this is again a very tricky thing. Listen very, very carefully. At each moment, I'm inviting you, come over to my website, avidminer.com. I'm inviting you, come over to my YouTube channel, Ashish Vidyarthi Official. But remember, you coming and you subscribing is your love and affection for me, but you will not determine me. I will not experience less loved if I'm subscribed less. You getting a sense of what I'm sharing? Have the guts to invite people to join you on your journey, but never given anyone the right to determine who you are as a human being. You have to mind yourself. Be responsible towards yourself. Remember, your family really cares for you. Remember, you care for yourself. Remember your dreams, the things that you wish to achieve in your life. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to raise a family. You want to buy a car. Open a yoga studio. I don't know what you want to do. Have time for that. That's where you become smart. So many years back, as I even started off being an actor, being an actor is something which was needed as a profession. So as an actor, you need to be just busy each day. But very early in my life, I discovered that what use will my life be if at the end of my life, I can only tell, and I tell that to my wife also, that imagine at the end of our lives, we tell everyone, Ashish was so busy now that we could not even meet each other. What use is that life? So, be intelligent. Do things that you really love to do. I gift myself victories. I gift myself time. In the midst of work, in the midst of everything, I gift myself time with my friends, times with things that I love to do. I love to eat. I should not eat as much, so I also like to diet. I'm supposed to diet. So I love to find time for that. Be naughty. Remember this, my friend. Be passionate about your work, but be more passionate about yourself. And the way to be passionate about yourself is to have smiles in your life. Do you know that you will face failure? Yeah, part of life. Do you know another thing? Some of you may even become successful. Do you know that? Remember, both success and failure are passing. Both of them, both success and failure, if you give it a finality, it's going to finish you. Har gaya, finish, then you're finished. Jeet gaya, finish, then you're finished. Life is an everyday game, my friend. Life is a walk. It's your ability to walk on a walk that inspires you. That's going to define your life. You there with me on this? What did I say? It's your ability to walk the walk that inspires you. That's going to define you. Otherwise, you'll just end up saying, I'm so busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Bore mat kar yaar. Those WhatsApp things don't message. Don't call, just message. Okay को के बोलते हैं. Time ही नहीं है उनके पास. बड़े boring लगते हैं मुझे ऐसे लोग. I love to chat with people. I love to make time for things that inspire me. Do you like to do that? Would you like to have time for things that inspire you? Yes. Define your life in a way that you can inspire people to do amazing at your expression. The expression that you have, make them inspired to be extraordinary. And you know what happens each time I kind of play that game? I create something which makes me extraordinary each day. You're getting a sense of what I'm sharing, dear creators, because you and I are creators of colorful shadows. We have to mind ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves. Fill yourself with learning each day. Fill yourself with growth each day. So when something go wrong or not so good, won't matter. Because you know, it's part of a game. It's part of a deal. It's part of a journey that you and I are embarking on. Exactly. Others will have the success that they have and the failures that they have. You celebrate your life, your journey, your success. Celebrate your failures also. This person right here in front of you. Lot of failures. Who cares? Lot of success. Who cares? What matters is what I deliver each day. How I am with my family, how I am with my friends, how I am with myself. Never forget that. I'm open to questions right now. Open to questions. Okay, somebody asked, Antara, how do you as an individual overcome your failure? You don't overcome your failure. It's another day. You just go on moving. Remember, don't try to ensure not having failure. Just ensure that you're in movement. A failure or success is going to be just another day. It's just another day. When we started this event, twice we went off. I thought, what's happening, man? Just part of it. If I stay worried about what if it happens, if it happens, I will deal with it. Remember, who's paying your bills? Quickly tell me, who's paying your bills? Who's paying your bills? Thank you so much. As long as you are paying your bills, just make sure that you are able to pay your bills. बाकी ज़्यादा मैं बड़ा failure हूँ. बहुत इसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ. Keep playing, keep walking, keep moving. Gati, velocity, speed. Just keep moving in life. Okay, has it ever bothered you that somebody else is getting more work? Yes, it has bothered me. Yes, it has bothered me. Somebody is getting more work. But then I discovered another thing. It never bothers me when somebody else is getting less work. Then I say, Ashish Vidyarthi, तुम्हारा दिमाग is playing games with you. It is just picking up people who get more work and feels you're very small. But it never says, देखो उस बेचारे के पास काम नहीं है, मैं अपना काम उसको दे देता हूं. Please get it. There'll be some who will have 9, there'll be some who will have 3. You try and move your pin in the direction you want to. And if you do something amazingly well, I mean, something which I really look forward to, and that's why I engage in conversations like this on Avid Miner. What I love is that earlier people used to meet me and they used to say that, you know what, they love my role and they love that dialogue of mine, etc., etc. Now when they meet me and they say that, you know what, we've been following your videos on YouTube and on LinkedIn, and we come onto your website and you made a difference to my life. It's really fulfilling, dear friends. So you and I as influencers, imagine influencer is that when you can influence people to be better than they were ever before. That's an amazing thing, isn't it? And all that I'm sharing with you is that you are not here just to influence others. This is a moment in your life for you to influence yourself to become extraordinarily better than you were yesterday. So this is not just all giving, this is also you gaining, becoming bigger, improving yourself, continuously moving your own needle. And as you move your needle, I promise you, you will inspire others to move their needles. And that's amazingly fulfilling. The 3 things I never forget about yourself. Okay, yes, definitely. Love yourself. Very important. Critical. Love yourself. Never forget that you want to do something amazing with yourself. So all that big games that you're creating for yourself, it is in service of that. So point number 1, love yourself. Secondly, never forget it's a game. You have taken this on. Okay. And in this game, during the journey, there'll be successes, failures, pitfalls, gire, uthe. Dono hi satya nahi hai. The game is the larger game. So always keep your eye on the larger one. Remember, that thing will also keep moving. So be ready to continuously move. Third thing, very importantly, stay invested in relationships. As you stay invested in relationships, they will keep you connected to who you really are. You never overlook that. All right? Does networking help in the long run as a content creator? Well, my take on that is slightly different. Networking nowadays, this online stuff is amazing, my friend. What it does is, it doesn't do you any favors. It is just that if you're interesting, if people find you interesting, they will come and join you. For example, I'm here, I'm having this conversation with you, and I'm sharing about my website, avidminer.com, or I'm sharing about my YouTube channel, Ashish Vidyarthi Official. If you guys like it, you will come. All right. So you're not going to do any extra favors to me. All right. For example, life is all about growing. For example, at this very moment, I came to know yesterday that I've been nominated as the best supporting actor for my web series, Mission Over Mars. Now, typically nowadays people are sending that out to, more people. You get the votes, you may get that award. But for me, what is very interesting is just being recognized that way. After I've won the National Award, or the Screen Award, and the Filmfare Award, it's so interesting that at every stage of your life, there are more people being touched by our work. So rather than you looking at it just as a networking opportunity, I would invite you to look at every interaction that you're having. For example, right now, this also with Subhash, I've met recently. So interesting to look at how many different ways people are creating stuff. All right. So rather than just networking, really look at increasing your ability to think differently. So when you meet different people, they will allow you to think differently. They will give you ideas and thoughts and solutions which you never thought of before. I think we've run out of time. Okay, the final question. What do you do when your family doesn't support you financially and demotivates you? Fantastic, Kunal Patel. Then you're in a great space. You're the ultimate underdog. खेलो. जब दुनिया नहीं समझेगी तभी तो खेलने का मजा है दोस्त. एक बात याद रखूं. Have very little people you can complain about. आप जितना कम complain करने वाले लोग रखोगे, जैसे I've told my wife very clearly not to listen to my complaints. Because then you're in action. Very good. Nobody else's responsibility. Just to let you know, all of you have dreams, right? All of you have dreams, right? Yes or yes? You have dreams, right? Please get it. Only I am responsible to fulfill my dreams. Only I. Not even my wife, not even my son, not even my parents. Please get it. Nobody is more passionate about my dream other than me. The same is true of you. So if you're not getting supported by your family, good for you. Negotiate your way through life. Don't feel sorry for yourself. If you feel sorry for yourself, मैं क्या करूं? मुझे कोई समझता नहीं है. Good for you, yaar. Who cares? Do you know Ananti Srivastav? Do you know Ananti Srivastav? You know Ananti Srivastav? You people know Ananti Srivastav? Hello, do you know Ananti Srivastav? Yes or yes? No, you don't know. Okay. How cruel you are. Ananti Srivastav is somebody who's very passionate, is a content creator, and the family and the world doesn't care for her. You don't care for her also. By the way, I don't even know there is any Ananti Srivastav. I just created her name. But all that I want you to know is that stop waiting for people to come out and support you. You be your cheerleader. Do something so extraordinary that people turn around. All right? Remember, the game is not to be popular. The game is to create something extraordinary that people say, wow, I'm inviting you to that game. All right. And join me. Come over to avidminer.com. We have got a special thing for you. And, when you kind of, when you can actually ratchet up your game, crank up, that entire program is called Crank Up. So we are calling it See You at Crank Up. When you can actually crank up your ability to create new content, curate new content, to be around people who are creating content. And you will be listening to ideas which will open up your minds. I want you to be such a creator that whatever be your core area, when people listen to you, when they listen to your content, read your content, they say, wow, yaar, I could never think of it this way. And that can only happen when you are generating content which is closest to you. I would love to engage in those conversations with you on my YouTube channel. Please come over there. Yes, sir. Fantastic. I think we've run out of time. So happy to see you here, guys. And I hope that you get tons of stuff for yourself in this period. All right. So, super, Subhash. Very happy to be here with this.
A fantastic session. You have kept everybody engaged. So what I realized, Ashish, is that, initially you were asking them to repeat the questions and they were so hypnotized. Now, after every strong statement, they started typing it themselves. It's amazing. You got to pull it.
You got to pull it throughout this, wherever you are, my friends, wherever you are to learn. Remember, it's my responsibility to pull the conversation towards me. Okay. So Subhash, I really want to thank you for this opportunity that you're creating such a fantastic thing for this entire set of people. And I guess, Subhash, we are going to hear a lot from them in years to come, months to come. And then they will say that they heard us here at theinfluencer.com. And very good, yeah. Very, very happy to be here.
Ashish, it's our honor to have you here. Thank you so much. It was a lovely, lovely session.
Well, shukriya. And imagine, what time is it where you are? He's somewhere in the US. You're kind of...
it's 10:30.
You're fresh like a daisy.
For me.
Yes. Fantastic. So great. Thank you, everyone. And you guys send us a mail on AvidMiner. If you have any questions, yes, Velcro effect. If you have any questions, send it out to reach us at ashishvidyarthi.com. We'll just type it and reach us at ashishvidyarthi.com. We also do special sessions where we invite people to ask questions on live. And it's called Ask Ashish. So most welcome if anyone wants to come online with me and do some sessions. Most welcome. I love to communicate, if you've noticed. And I'm always happy to meet people who are full of energy. Bahut sara pyar aap sabko.
Definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashish. I joined some of these sessions with you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Best wishes.
Thanks for a lovely participation. Let's move on to the next session on when podcast is going to come to India. That is also going to be an interesting session. We will all see you there.